How to find your username on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to find your username on Discord. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Discord. Then when Discord is opening, you will go here on your profile. Then as you see here, this is your username on Discord. You will click, for example, and you will click here on these 3 points. Then you will copy your username, and for example I will write it. So this is my username. That's it guys. I hope these videos have found useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.